I'm going to discuss how to create the monolayer in the VESTA file. Here, this is the example of the C3N2, but we're going to discuss about the boron nitrate. So I'll just give you the simple idea how to create this monolayer. Normally, when you run this kind of system in the VASP program, we need to make it in the monolayer. So you have different options, but I use this materials explorer to check the boron nitrate here. But there are also different methods how you can obtain this. For example, C2DB is there, again PubChem Reaper is also there, the crystallography open database is also there. So just check wherever that you get your required material. So you search the boron nitrate here, and then if you search, you'll get the different types of boron nitrate, and it actually, depending upon your requirement, you can download whichever you want. For example, I just check this one, and then it will take us to the 3D view here. See, and then just export the CIF file. If you just export as CIF file, and then it will ask you where to save this. You can just save the file where you want. In my case, I already have the save file, so I'll just open that one and then go back, and then from the in the VESTA you can just check file, from the file open here, and then boron nitrate you can just open. So this is the one that you'll get. It's just the two species that we have, boron and nitrate. So here it is many, so we'll just check it. I'll go to the bones. Okay, it's coming to a different window here. Okay, just check bone here, and let's take do not search atoms beyond the boundary. Apply, then press OK. So now it will just give you within this unit cell, not in whole structure, just the unit cell. And after that, again, still there are different, a lot of things there. So just try to again go to edit, not the object, then boundary now, and then we'll try to make our boundary a little bit smaller, like I said, 99, something like that. Okay, is actually why we're doing this is like these electrons are being shared with another electrons. So like if you're just making this volume very small, that means like we are going to not include these things in our unit cell. So let's try to apply, and then yes, it's coming like this. And still we have to just do the different types of boron nitrate, one at different location, one at this let's say I think it should be the 00 axis, and then here some value from the Z axis. So either you can just select here and then select this and delete, or you can just there's again a different option that we have, object, edit and edit data. Here you have to go to structure parameters, and then in the structure parameters, actually if you want to delete this one somewhere like which is above the Z axis, or if you want to just delete this one or at the 00 axis, so we just try to delete this. And another one, if you delete this and then apply, you'll have only one. So this is the only the boron nitrate that we have, but now we want to like let's say we want to see it in the many numbers. Just now it's only few, yet only two, so just go to that edit data, unit cell, and then from here we have to go to transform, and then let's make it maybe like 4 or 4 by 4, and then we're not going to make it in the Z axis, so just do it okay, and then you'll have to do it yes. And here search atoms in the multi, okay, you have to select this one, and then press OK, apply, and then OK. So this is how we're getting the monolayer of the boron nitride. And if you want to export these things in the postcard file, just go to file, export data, and then like here this monolayer XYZ is used in the Chemcraft visualization, so maybe this file is also required, so we can save this one as the XYZ file, as I will just name as the monolayer, and save XYZ. And do you want to save hidden atoms? So here we are not going to select yes, I mean here we are going to select no for this, and then we'll have the XYZ, which we can use in the Chemcraft software. And then another one, like you will have to export as the postcard file here, VASP file, and then extension is postcard file. So we'll select like this. So in my case I've already saved this one, but I'm going to rewrite this, and then we want it in Cartesian coordinate and output in the unit cell, of course, yes, okay. And then let's try to check this one, and then if you open, either you can open it in the .txt file or the VS Code file. So see here we have 16 numbers. So actually it should be only two, boron and nitrogen, only two, but we have scaled up and made it more, 4 by 4. I have used 4 by 4, so which means 4 4 is 16, so that's why we are getting 16 Cartesian coordinates like this. So that's it.